Welcome to another eProsima tutorial. In this demo video, we're going to create a simple publisher-subscriber example in Linux using the eProsima FastDDS library. For this tutorial, you're going to need to install FastDDS and FastDDS Gen, and the development suite Visual Studio. So let's get started. First, we need to define our type in an IDL file. To achieve that, we're going to create a folder to store the files. Inside of the folder, we're going to create a file called HelloWorld.idl. Here, we're going to define the data types of the topic. In this case, unsigned long and string. For the next step, we're going to need this script from the FastDDS Gen directory. We're going to execute this code generation script, passing the HelloWorld.idl file, and this will generate application files that you can find here on the left side of the screen. Now, let's edit the publisher. So the index is 1, and the topic message is Hello World. We do the same thing with the subscriber, so it can show that the topic with the indicated message is effectively received. After that, we import the libraries with source, and we create a build folder to compile the generated code. Let's test the behavior of the example by executing the publisher and subscriber. We open two terminals. In the first terminal, we launch the executable with subscriber as argument, in the second with publisher as argument. You can see that the first sample is sent and received correctly. We can send more samples if wanted, and stop by entering an N in the publisher. And this is how you create a simple publisher-subscriber example in Linux with FastDDS in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.